Good afternoon, everybody, and a very warm welcome to all of you to the IMTMA-ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2020 presentation ceremony. We have come to the grand finale of the 14th edition of the National Productivity Summit 2020 and to the climax of this mega event. 2 enthralling keynotes and 12 thought-provoking case studies on various facets of manufacturing and competitiveness. These success stories have truly ignited in many of us the passion to excel in our journeys towards productivity excellence. Friends, this summit will achieve its objective only if you take back the learnings for its successful implementation in your respective organizations. Today's celebration would not have been possible without the proactive support of our award sponsor, the ACE Micromatic Group. Given the size of the Indian manufacturing industry, screening and shortlisting the large number of entries received for this year's competition from some of the very best organizations was not a simple task. I am sure our jury would not have had it easy. It gives us great pleasure in expressing our wholehearted thanks to all the members of the jury, Mr. N. Ramanathan, Dr. N. Ravichandran, and Mr. M. C. Ramakrishnan for their tireless efforts and unflinching commitment. Thank you very much, gentlemen. May I please invite Mr. T. K. Ramesh, Managing Director, Micromatic Machine Tools, the marketing arm of ACE Micromatic Group, to address us.
Good afternoon. I'm delighted to be here representing ACE Micromatic. We have been associated with the National Productivity Summit since its inception in 2006 and have been the award sponsors since 2015. ACE Micromatic Group's concern for and engagement with productivity is the first reason we are here. We are in the machine tool business. Turning, milling, grinding and capacity creation is what we do. Our passion to help propagate productive use of our machines has pushed us to also be actively involved in production monitoring and productivity solutions for close to 2 decades. We have put to use innovative technologies, including digital tools, long before Industry 4.0 and IoT were in vogue. These tools have worked and helped us and our customers to be continuously better at productivity. They get more out of our machines, which make them more profitable, and they come back for a larger number of machines, leading to a virtuous cycle. The second reason we are here is to celebrate productivity and the people. The heroes and heroines behind the efforts in the companies, be it in design, methods, process, and on the shop floor. By creating and strengthening this platform of the Productivity Summit, along with our association partner IMTMA and all the agencies involved. The recognition to the enterprises, people, and the prize money awards to the members of the team build, sustain, and grow this productivity movement. Finally, the sharing of the practices, use of tools and techniques among the industry further widens the productivity movement, inspires industry, and all of us come out winners with bigger and better dreams that help give muscle to the new manufacturing vision of the country. Thank you, and our best wishes to all the participants and the finalists. Thank you again.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ramesh, for your kind words and continued patronage to the cause of enhancing productivity in Indian manufacturing. It is indeed a matter of great pride for IMTMA to have one of India's largest machine tool conglomerates, the ACE Micromatic Group, to partner the cause of productivity and sponsor the awards. IMTMA-ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards recognizes the outstanding efforts of companies in enhancing manufacturing competitiveness. These awards bear testimony to the pioneering efforts of manufacturing professionals and have become the flag bearer of the productivity movement in India. We received case studies from a large number of manufacturing companies, which were screened by a panel of experts, of which 12 were shortlisted as finalists at the summit. Based on the relative merits of these case studies, their presentations and interactions with the jury, the awards were decided. Small and micro enterprises form the backbone of Indian manufacturing. To showcase the best productivity improvement projects being implemented in the SME sector, IMTMA has instituted the SME Productivity Championship Award. And now for the grand finale, which all of us have been waiting for with bated breath, the IMTMA-ACE MICROMATIC Productivity Championship Awards 2020. Let me give you a little background as to what these awards constitute. The first prize carries a cash award of Rs 3 lakhs, a crystal trophy and a certificate for the winners. The second prize carries a cash award of Rs 2 lakhs, a crystal trophy and a certificate for the winners. The third prize carries a cash award of Rs 1 lakh, a crystal trophy and certificates for the winners. I must mention here that all the cash awards are given away to the winning individuals or teams and not to the company. The winner of the IMTMA-ACE MICROMATIC SME Productivity Championship Award 2020 will receive a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh, a trophy and a certificate. All the other contesting companies will receive a certificate of merit. First, we start with the SME Productivity Championship Award. The winner of this year's IMTMA-ACE MICROMATIC SME Productivity Championship Award is Adler MediEquip Private Limited. For their case study presentation on low-cost automation in RAS teeth punching process. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and give them a very big round of applause. Congratulations, Adler MediEquip. I will now announce the winner of the third prize, who will receive a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh, a trophy and a certificate of IMTMA-ACE MICROMATIC Productivity Championship Awards 2020. The third prize goes to Mahindra & Mahindra Limited Automotive Division for their case study presentation on foundry productivity improvement for crankcase casting through improvements in core making. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to give them a big round of applause. Congratulations, Mahindra & Mahindra. I now announce the winner of the second prize. The winner of the second prize, who will receive a cash prize of Rs 2 lakh, a trophy and a certificate of IMTMA-ACE MICROMATIC Productivity Championship Awards 2020. The winner of the second prize is TVS Motor Company Limited. For their case study presentation, Cobots on the Fly Inspection, a case study of Industry 4.0 implementation for quality. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations, TVS Motor Company. And now, for the first prize of the IMTMA-ACE MICROMATIC Productivity Championship Awards 2020. The winner of the first prize will receive a cash prize of Rs 3 lakhs, a trophy and a certificate of IMTMA-ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2020. The champion of champions, the winner of the first prize of Productivity Championship Awards 2020 is IMTMA Private Limited. For their presentation on automation and robotics, a case study on reducing manual intervention to boost productivity in metal injection molding parts. Congratulations to you, IMTMA. Ladies and gentlemen, they definitely deserve a very huge round of applause, so please put your hands together for them. 14 productivity summits have put our efforts in this direction on a new pedestal. This mega event has become IMTMA's second most significant event after the IMTEX and ToolTech series of exhibitions. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to the ACE Micromatic Group for their continued support as an award sponsor. We thank all our keynote speakers as well as case study presenters for their excellent presentations. We congratulate the winners of the IMTMA-ACE Micromatic Productivity Championship Awards 2020 for their tireless efforts in achieving this milestone accomplishment. Our sincere appreciation to each and every member of the jury and to our sponsors for their invaluable contribution in putting together this mega event most successfully. IMTMA would like to acknowledge and thank its past presidents and executive committee members for their immense contribution to the success of this event. And finally, I would like to take this opportunity to most graciously thank each and every one of our participants for having been with us for the last 2 days. The next edition of the National Productivity Summit will be held in 2021. We strongly urge and encourage all of you to contest and participate in the summit by sending in your entries. With this, we conclude this very memorable award ceremony. Signing off, this is Anjana Panna, and I thank you for being with us at this National Productivity Summit 2020.